Hello and welcome to a session I'm calling Total Body Core. All you need is the floor and your core. Let's get started. Lying down on our back, we're going to stretch out the arms and legs in a total body stretch. Breathe in deeply. Exhale and pull the tummy in, deep in the rib cage. Inhale, expand the ribs. And exhale, pull the belly button closer to the spine, lift it up and in. And let's bend the knees, feet to the mat, hip width apart, hands behind the head. Let's establish our ab curl first. Exhale, nod the chin, deepen those abdominals, and then find the lift of the head, neck, shoulders, and upper back. Controlling the curl up and lowering down. Let's go two more. And one more time, we'll stay up at the top for the inhale. Let's pulse it out, little pulse and pulse. Try not to strain or tense the neck, shoulders, or arms. Let's keep this coming from the core. Let's go 4, 3, 2. Stay here at the top for your inhale, and let's pick up those legs halfway into tabletop. Squeeze the legs together. Let's repeat those pulses. Pulse and pulse and exhale for 3, 2. Stay here at the top for the inhale. Let's stretch those legs even higher to the sky, flexing the feet, legs drawing into the center. Let's pulse it out. 5, 4, 3, 2. Stay at the top and point the toes. Lower the head 99% down. Curl back up. Inhale, hover. Exhale, curl. Let's go 4 and curl. And 3 and curl. And 2 and curl. One last time. Let's keep these ab curls going from tabletop legs with feet flexed, squeezing into the center. Hover and curl. Elbows stay wide to the side. And let's go 3 and a 2. Last time here. Hold at the top for the inhale, placing the feet down and straightening the legs. Toes to the sky. Let's pulse it out for 10, 9, 8. Abs in and deeper for 5, 4, 3, 2. Last little moment here. Can you stretch those arms? Exhale, curl up a little higher if you can. Oh man, and lower that down. Rest the head down. Give the knees a little shake, shake, shake. And let's stretch out those abdominals, reaching the arms longer overhead. Big breath in. Big breath out. Let's roll over onto our side, and we're going to come all the way up onto our elbow. And you can bend the knees or keep the legs straight, or do a combination where just the bottom leg is bent. Let's lift the hips up. We're going to focus on the side body, our obliques, and a little bit of shoulder work here. Drop the hips a few inches down without touching the ground, and lift up. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift. Inhale, down. Exhale, up. Inhale and exhale. Let's stretch the top arm up to the sky. And if you can, you'll look up as we go 4 and up and 3 and up and 2 and up. Let's stay up at the top, hips even higher, elbow pressing down. Top arm is going to scoop overhead, reaching into those fingertips. 3, 2, and a graceful dismount. Let's switch sides. Find the legs of choice, and let's pick the hips up away from the ground, lowering down to the mat, and exhale to arc up and away. Inhale, down and up, down and up. Find a nice flowing motion. Stretch the top arm to the sky. Lift a little higher with that exhale. And looking upwards, let's go 4, 3, 2. Last one, stay up at the top and sweep that arm overhead. Long line of energy. And a graceful dismount. Hands under shoulders and stretch those legs back behind you. Option to rest the knees down. Or if you can, shrug the kneecaps up away from the ground. Nod the chin. And let's drop just one hip lower. Bring it to center. Hip number 2. Bring it to center. And drop and center. And alternate from side to side. A little dip and center. Dip and center. 4, 3, 2. Last time, hold in the center. Think about your ankles, pushing your plank forward and back without popping the hips higher or lower. Hips stabilize in the center. Ankle joints shifting the plank forward and back. Let's go 3. Let's try 2. Yay, last time. Rest the knees. Child's pose. Rest forehead. And stay for one more breath in. And out. Walk the hands in. Let's roll up through. Hands to the hamstrings. Tip back to bring the feet up into tabletop. Let's lengthen the legs into a V-sit. Inhale. Exhale, more abdominals in, and let's reach those arms forward. And slowly, with control, let's lower it down onto your back. Let's keep the head looking at the toes as we bring one knee in and switch, 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 switch. Single leg stretch. Point the toes. Deepen belly button, low back, melting into the mat. 3, 2, and bring it back to tabletop. If you need to rest the head, of course you can do that. Otherwise, keep it lifted with a chin nod to the throat. Let's stretch the legs and open the arms. Bring it back. Open and exhale it back. Exhale it back. You can stretch the arms overhead and hug the knees in. Reach and hug. Let's go 3, 2. Last one. Hold it here, hugging the legs and rocking it out side to side. Inhale, stretch those legs up to the sky. Keep the toes pointed, and let's take one leg hovering above the ground, other leg reaching to the sky, and switch, and switch, and scissor, and scissor, and slice, and lengthen. Keep the legs going. Stretch the arms hovering above the ground, and let's lift head, neck, and shoulders, looking forward. Slice, slice. Catch the top leg and pull it in for a deeper hamstring stretch. Let's go 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Both legs stay up. Let's glue the heels together and externally rotate the legs outwards. Hands behind the head. Exhale, lower the legs halfway down. Bring it back up. Halfway down. Bring it back up. Halfway down. Bring it back up. Halfway down. Keep your tailbone long and lengthening. Feel it imprinting into the mat, especially when you lift those legs back up again. 2, Last one. Rotate back to tabletop. Stretch one leg long and twist to the opposite knee. And let's crisscross it out, side to side. Longer with that straight leg. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Wow. Bring it back in. Hugging the knees to the chest. Rocking it out side to side. Big inhale. And exhale. Let's reach long total body stretch. Open the arms to a T shape, bend one knee in, and let's cross that leg over the body. Breathe in. Switch sides. Big inhale. Come back to the center. Flex the feet, legs long. So you have two options here. We can reach the arms and roll up to seated. Or option 2, we can bend the knees and rock up to a seated position. Let's finish off with the classical Pilates move called the pull down or the pulley. Establishing your plank position. A lot of people pop the hips too high with this one. So let's drop the hips so they're in line with the spine. And pick up one leg, pull it down, down. Energy down. Exhale, down. 4, 3, 2. Hold here, breathe in. Exhale, more abs. Leg number 2. Lift it up without lifting the hips higher. Flex the foot. Energy pulls down, down, down. Exhale. 4, 3, 2. Hold here for a breath. Woo-hoo-hoo. Let's rest the knees, uncurl the toes, and just let the hips drop forward into that abdominal stretch and elongation. Looking up, softening elbows, lowering to the elbows. Breath in. Exhale out. Let's do that one more time. Big breath in. And lowering it down. Palms under shoulders. Keep the core engaged. And see if we can push up and sit back to the heels. Child's pose. Stretching through the back. Rocking it out gently side to side. Giving those abdominals a little well-deserved rest. Inhale, walk the hands in, roll it through the spine. And thank you so much for joining me on this Express Total Body Core Tune-Up.